Wild About Scotland bus is a partnership between the Royal Zoological Society of Scotland and Clydesdale Bank. It means that we can get to lots of remote areas and engage with pupils about the native species of Scotland and what they can do to protect them.
So we've got lots of big Scottish animals painted on the side of our bus. And at the beginning of the lesson, we asked the kids, can they identify these Scottish animals? And it's actually surprising the number that they don't know. Often their favourite animal is something really interesting, but it's right on the other side of the world. So getting them thinking about animals in their own country, I think, is really important.
The thing about learning about their own environment, giving them an insight to something that's happening right here in our country, definitely made a big impact on them. When we went back into the school, the children are all buzzing about it, all discussing it, and I think there'll be plenty more learning to come after this. A great introduction.
We've been doing Beavers and Wildcat lessons, which are the two animals that RZSS is actively involved in their conservation. So downstairs with Wildcats, they're thinking about food chains, what the wildcats are eating, how they fit into the ecosystem in Scotland.
With the beaver lesson, we can talk about the beaver reintroduction trial in Argyll, and we kind of just introduce the kids to the ecology of beavers, what it means to have new animals in your country and how it changes the landscape, how it changes the habitats. It's all important, and it's nice that we can get them all thinking about that and coming to a conclusion themselves.
The other lesson we do is a mini beast lesson, which is all about getting kids outside in their school grounds, exploring for themselves and finding what little creatures they can find in their grounds. They get their hands dirty, picking up worms, looking at anything that they can find themselves.
So yeah, introducing them to what lives in their back garden, but then bringing them on and doing a little bit of science and getting them to identify the things that they have found. We get them excited, we get them interested by them being able to relate to something that they can see every day.
It's an opportunity for the teachers as well, seeing their kids learning in a different environment, and then also hopefully be able to use their school grounds after our visit to continue monitoring the mini beasts and get the kids excited about the natural world that's right on their doorstep.
It was an excellent way to learn, active learning at its best.
During holiday time, we've been to lots of nature reserves. We can take the bus anywhere because it is on wheels, and we can open it up to the public and they can come in and learn generally about native species in Scotland, or get a little bit more in depth about the science that we do at the Royal Zoological Society of Scotland.
With all the schools that we've been visiting, we've been getting some really great feedback from the pupils and the teachers as well. Hopefully with the continuation of this project, we'll be able to get to many more remote places.